This is the laziest way to run a YouTube channel, and I mean that in the best way possible. So here's the thing. I post every single day. Shorts, TikToks, the whole deal. And I haven't touched a camera in months. Not once. I don't film anything. I don't show my face. I don't edit anything. I don't even write the scripts anymore. And somehow, the channel keeps growing. Let me show you exactly how this works, because it's kind of ridiculous how easy it's gotten. The whole trick is one tool called VidMachine. You go to vidmachine.ai, you sign up, they give you free credits to start, no card needed, and then you basically describe what your channel is about. That's it. That's the whole setup. Let me walk you through exactly what happens after you click Create Project. You type something like, I run a history facts channel, or I post scary story shorts, or whatever your niche is. And then the system just thinks about it for a second. And it spits out a backlog of video ideas, like hundreds of them. Each one with a hook, a title, a full script, the works. Watch this. Look at this list. Every single row is a ready-to-film video idea. Topics, angles, hook lines, everything pre-written. And it keeps generating more as you use them up. So you pick one, click it, and here's where it gets wild. You click Generate, and it writes the full script, generates the voiceover with a real AI narrator, pulls stock footage or AI-generated visuals that match what the script is talking about, edits it all together, adds captions, and renders the whole thing into a vertical short or a TikTok-ready video. Look at this. I'm watching it render in real time. The script is being read by an AI voice that sounds like a real person. The B-roll is matching the narration perfectly. The captions are popping on screen at the right moments. This would have taken me 3 hours to do manually. It took about 90 seconds. And the visuals, man? Look at this clip it just made. That's not a stock video. That was generated by an AI video model to match the topic. It's using Veo, it's using Sora, it's using all the top-tier models under the hood. So the quality is actually insane. Now here's the part that broke my brain. You can connect your YouTube channel and your TikTok account directly inside VidMachine. Like OAuth, the real deal. You sign in once, you give it permission, and then you flip a switch. And that switch is called auto mode. When auto mode is on, the system just keeps generating videos on its own schedule. Every day, or multiple times a day if you want. It picks ideas from your backlog, generates the videos, and posts them straight to your channels. You don't touch anything. You don't approve anything, you just let it run. I'm not joking. I set this up 3 months ago for a test channel. A random niche I picked, didn't even care about it, and it just posts every day by itself. And that channel has like 8,000 subscribers now. I haven't logged into it in weeks. Look at this dashboard. You can see scheduled posts, already posted videos, the queue. It's all sitting there running without me. Okay, so let me talk about the AI influencer thing too, because that's the other half of this. You don't have to use a faceless setup if you don't want to. VidMachine has a talking avatar system. You pick an avatar, you pick a voice, and the avatar lip syncs to whatever script you write, so you can have a consistent person on your channel without ever filming yourself. Same face, same voice, every single day. People in the comments think it's a real creator. It's not. It's an AI character running on autopilot. This is huge for brand channels. Imagine you're a small business and you want daily TikToks, but you don't have a video team. You just set up an AI avatar once, give it your brand voice, and it posts for you every day. Same vibe, same look, no production costs. Now let me show you the actual settings so you can see how simple this is. You go to your project, you set the niche, you set the tone, like educational or funny or scary or whatever. You pick which AI models you want to use. You pick a default narrator voice. You set your posting schedule. You connect your accounts. And then you hit Enable Auto Mode. That's it. That's the whole thing. Setup takes maybe 5 minutes. And look at the pricing, because this is the part that makes me feel crazy. The hobby plan is $19 a month. 19. You get 1,000 credits plus bonus credits. You get auto mode, YouTube and TikTok publishing, all the AI models, full API access. For $19. There are people paying editors more than that per video. And this thing posts daily on autopilot. Let me show you some results. Here's one of the channels I'm running this on. Look at the analytics. Consistent uploads, consistent views, consistent growth. No burnout, no filming days, no, I don't know what to post today panic. And the best part? The videos actually perform, because the scripts are written with viral hooks, the visuals are high quality, the pacing is fast, the captions are clean. It checks every box that the algorithm wants. I'm going to be honest with you. When I first tried this, I thought it was going to be garbage. I was like, there's no way an automated system makes good content. And then I watched the first video it generated, and I sat there for like 30 seconds just staring at it, because it was better than stuff I was making manually. The script had a strong hook, the pacing was tight, the visuals matched the narration, the captions were on point. It looked like something a real creator spent 2 hours on, and it was made in under 2 minutes. Now, do I think you should use this for every single channel? Honestly, yeah. Especially if you're starting out. Especially if you don't want to burn out. Especially if you want to test multiple niches at once. because you can run multiple projects in VidMachine, each one with a different niche, a different tone, a different posting schedule, all running in parallel, all on autopilot. You could literally launch 5 faceless channels this weekend, and in a month, check which ones are growing and keep going with those. Kill the ones that aren't. Zero risk, minimal cost. That's the whole game now. It's not about who can film the most. It's about who can ship the most. And shipping daily on autopilot with AI, that's the unfair advantage. So if you want to try this, go to vidmachine.ai. Free credits to start, no card required. Set up a project, hit auto mode, and watch what happens. And then come back and tell me how many subscribers you got without ever picking up a camera, because that's the fun part. Drop a comment if you're running this already. I want to know what niche you're testing. And subscribe because I'm going to keep showing workflows like this that basically cheat the content game. See you in the next one.